Hello everyone, I am back with another simple origami. This one is the heart-shaped ring. This will be the quick tutorial, so if I go too fast, feel free to pause the video. We're going to be starting off with a 4" by 4" sheet of paper. Anywhere from 3 to 4 inches is ideal for the finger. We're going to fold the paper in half along its edge, and then we're going to open it up, mountain fold up, folding it in half in the other direction. And we're going to open this, and then we're going to take this bottom edge, and then we're going to fold it along this center crease. And crease that down. Then we're going to unfold this, and then fold it along the bottom crease we just made. Now we will rotate the paper. Then we're going to take this bottom edge and bring it up to where the folded piece of paper is up here and crease that down. Then we will open this, and then the 2 creases in the center, we're now going to line up with the upper crease. Then we will open this and then line it up with the bottom crease. Okay, now we will rotate this, open the bottom crease, and line it up with this crease up here where the paper meets, and then we will crease that down. Now we're going to open this. In the top part where the paper is folded, let's fold that again. So it should be folded twice. Then we're going to flip the paper over, take this edge, fold it along the center. Crease that down. And then we're going to take this edge and line it up. And then we will correct any imperfections we have. Okay, now we will flip the paper over. Going to take this point here, and then we're going to fold it along the second crease. So 1, 2, counting down is also the same crease where the paper changes its angle. Fold it down, crease that, and then we will flip the paper over. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this flap here, and then right here where the paper is folded, we're going to do a squash fold, but we're going to line it up along this top edge here. So we're going to lift this, line that up, and then crease that down. We will do the same thing with this side. And crease that down. Now what we're going to do is the upper part here where there's the V shape, we're going to take one flap and then we're going to fold it along this line, this edge here, lining up those corners. Also this edge here should line up with the center crease. Once you have that, crease that down. Then we're going to take this flap here and fold it underneath. So we'll lift up the whole thing, fold that down, pinch it, so it's like so. We're going to do the same thing with this end. We're going to fold this in half, crease that down, lift this up, fold the paper under, pinch that, and here we are. At this point, what we're going to do is take the bottom part, and right where those creases are, we're going to roll the paper up, folding it along those creases until we get to the last one. Now, we flip it over. You can see it's starting to take shape. We're going to just roll the paper. We need to curl that, both sides. Then we're going to take this paper, and then you see how the folded paper here, we're going to roll this in and just tuck it in. Just pick either side, tuck it in, and it's adjustable. So if you need to fold it in a little more to make it a little smaller, you can do that. And then that should fit on the finger. All right, that is the heart-shaped ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the like and subscribe. Feel free to share it. And I'll see you next time.